Welcome to the revolutionary Safety Pole Inc., a patented overhead fall protection system designed for residential and commercial framing to decrease the risk of falls on site. Our mission is to ensure that all men and women working in high-risk work environments return home safely. The Safety Pole system has been designed, engineered, tested, and validated to meet OSHA and ANSI requirements. Also, using Safety Pole helps companies strengthen their safety programs and also helps create a clean safety record. According to our information, the Safety Pole may significantly reduce workers' comp premiums. Further, our clients have utilized Section 179 of the IRS tax code to deduce the full purchase price of the system. Important benefits that will positively affect your workers. Safety Pole protects workers during all phases of the framing process. It is one simple, convenient, and complete solution to meet your requirements for fall arrest. Safety Pole helps our clients maximize safety credits on their workers' compensation premiums. The Safety Pole system is simple to install, easy to move, and puts the anchor point above workers' heads to allow framers to work freely. Safety Pole has numerous operational configurations, which allows flexibility when installing the system on each new project. Safety Pole will custom powder coat your system to match your company's branding colors and logo. Safety Pole offers free demonstration videos in English and Spanish. These include specific instructions on how to set up your Safety Pole on site. Please contact Safety Pole today for any questions about our amazing safety products or to receive a custom quote catered to your budget and preferences. Safety Pole, cutting-edge safety products for today's workers.